YouTube channel Rushkesh Basli Hepshan, and today it is 27 December 2021, and today our topic is array list. Array list is a part of collection. First, about discuss about in shortly what is a collection. The collection is in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Let us see hierarchy of collection. List queue and a set is a subclass of collection. List has three type: array list, linked list, and vector. Queue has a three part: priority queue, DQ, and array DQ, and set has a two set hash set and linked hash set. Let us discuss with one by one. Array list in Java. Array list class is a dynamically array for sorting the element. Array list it is the collection widely used in a program. The important points of array list. Array list also works based on the index. Each element stored in a particular index. We can add, get, remove the elements by use index value. Array list can contain duplicate element because it store each element at a particular index position, so it does not guess whether element is already present in array list or not. It maintain the order insertion because each element is inserted on its index. For example, if you adding any element in array list in first position, it means index value 0. You can get element in program the use of index value. Fourth, the array list class is non-synchronized. It means this class have multiple thread to access at same time. Sometime. 5. The list main function of array list is suitable and growable. Can create array list by using the many ways. First, generic and non-generic. Generic means if we want to create a array list, we need to use a wrapper class because array list does not support primitive data type. If we want to create a array list, we does need or mandatory initialize the array list. Is storing performance is faster because array list support index value. Array list implement list interface. If we want to create array list, then we need to create a object array list class using using this object we can perform operation on array list. Array list it has lots of method such as add, remove, get method. Array list the difference between array list and array. Array list has a array list array list it has a dynamic size. Array it has a fixed size. It has only a single array. It can be a single dimensional array list. It supports wrapper class in array list. It supports primitive data type in array. Speed of operation is slow because it size of array increase or grow dynamically. The speed of operation is fast because it fixed the size of element in array. we can initialize a array list, and then we need to use a object of class as list. In array list we can initialize array in clearly curly bracket in array. This is a discussion about array list in Java. Thank you.